All right, guys, welcome back to the Tutor Learning Center. This is JD Tutor, and I'm here to teach you the sixth video, which is the order of operations. All right, so place the names next to their acronyms. I went ahead and did that for you. All right, so P is for parentheses. We do that first. E is for exponents, M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, S for subtraction. All right, these are the steps and the orders that we're going to perform our operations in our equations. All right, well, let's go down here and let's work out some problems. All right, so get my pen handy here. All right, so first off, it says we need to look at parentheses. Do we see any parentheses in this problem? No, we don't. All right, so we can scratch through parentheses right there. All right, but do we see any exponents? Yes, we do. All right, we do see exponents here. All right, so let's go ahead and take our problem. Oops. To the second power. Oops, sorry guys. All right, I'm not used to this whiteboard. Times 1 minus 3. Okay, there you go. All right, so this is going to be 81 because this is going to be our exponent. We do that first. What else do we have? Multiplication. Do we have any multiplication in here? Yes, we do. So 81 times. Actually, guys, I like to bring everything down so I can look at it as it's happening one by one. So next, do we have multiplication? Yes, we do. So that's going to be 243. All right. And then we actually have two sets of multiplication. Okay, 243 times 1, 243 minus 3. Do we have division? No, no addition, but we do have subtraction. Okay, and that's going to be 240 is your answer. 240 is your answer. All right, guys. So write all of that down. Pause the video if you have to. For homeschoolers, please do write the problem and the work. I want to see the problem and the work and the answer. Thank you. All right. So now let's do the second one. All right. So let's do 7 to the third power plus 6 to the third power divided by 1 times 5. All right. And so exponents first here and here. So we're going to do 343 because 7 times 7 times 7 is 343. 6 times 6 times 6, or 6 to the third power, is 216. Now see this here. This is a little tricky situation right here. I'm going to just put this one under here and get rid of it. 10 times the 5. Okay, because it can be a little tricky if you don't do that with the division part of it, with this part, which may lead you kind of to the wrong answer. So let's finish out the problem. 343 plus 261 times 5. All right. And we can do our multiplication, which is next. So 343 plus 1080 okay, and then we have we can add those together to get 1423. All right, which is our answer. All right, that was problem number 2. Okay, pause the video if you need to copy any of this down. All right, our next one. 9 times 5 plus 2 to the 3rd power minus 9. All right. So first we're going to do 9 times 5 plus, we're going to go ahead and take care of our exponent, which is going to be 8 minus 9. So we're going to have 45 because we're going to do our multiplication next, plus 8 minus 9. All right. And we're going to do 53 minus 9. And our answer is 44. All right, pause the video, write all of that down. I want the problem, the work, and the answer. Okay. Number 4. All right, number 4 is going to be 4 times 3 plus 2. And we only have 2 things here, this one and this operation right here. So multiplication is first, 12 plus 2. This is an easy one. And the answer is 14. All right. Pause the video. Write everything down. All right. Number 5. It's exactly like number 4, except with subtraction. Five times 4 minus 2, multiplication, and then subtraction. 20 minus 2 is 18, and 18 is your answer. Okay. All right, let's look at number 6. 8 minus 3. Oh, parentheses. And what did we discover? Parentheses was first. 8 minus 3 times 5. So parentheses first. 5 times the 5, 25. And that's your answer there, 25. Let's do number 7. 4 times, here's the parentheses again. So 4 times 13. And the answer would be 52. 4 times 13 is 52. You guys, write that down. All right, getting into a little bit more challenging problems. All right. So instead of rewriting everything, I'm just going to do the exponents first instead of rewriting the whole problem. So looks like I'm going to do 36 because 6 times 6 plus the 9 divided by another 36 right here times the 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Divide by 1. Okay. All right. So now we're going to do a little bit of what we did before up here with this little guy right there. Okay, that seems to work because some people weren't doing it and they were getting the problem wrong. It was kind of tricking them up a little bit. So, all right. So, well, let's do that. Oh, let's see. First off, we're going to do multiplication. Let's see here. Well, actually, let's do 9 over 36. Let's go ahead and take care of that because that's a little tricky there. Tricky spot. Times the 1. And then we're going to do it again over here. We're going to do that again. So let's put everything into perspective. Before I do that, I'm going to simplify this into 1 over 4. Okay. And times 1 divided into 1 is 1. Okay. So then we do our times. All right. And then 36 plus 1/4 is 36 and 1/4. And I'm going to do, I'm going to turn it into a decimal here, 36.25. Because we know that 1/4 is a quarter, right? Is a quarter. All right. Hopefully we do. All right. And guys, that is it for this segment or this video. All right. Stay tuned for the next video.